Introducing the Top Bar Hive, a sustainable and natural way to keep honeybees while supporting pollinator health. Whether in your backyard or on a rooftop, this hive is easy to use and perfect for beekeepers of all experience levels. You can build the Top Bar Hive yourself using just plywood. Whether by hand or with a CNC router, the process is simple and rewarding. To make things easier, we've created detailed cutting plans and a step-by-step manual, both available for free. The hive allows bees to build their comb naturally, without exposure to plastic foundations or commercial wax. Our manual includes clear, simple instructions to guide you through every step of the build. The Top Bar Hive is designed to maximize honey production while keeping bees calm and healthy. The manual also covers essential tips for maintaining your hive and supporting your bee colony. Take the first step towards sustainable beekeeping by building your own Top Bar Hive. Visit our blog using the link in the description to download the free plans and manual. Start your beekeeping adventure today.